Hello everyone, I'm Helen. Today, we tested a versatile clay oven that can be used with charcoal or gas. The purpose of this test was to measure the temperature around the oven when it burned charcoal on a stone table. We marked 8 points on the table to measure the temperature at the bottom of the oven's opening, 10 cm and 20 cm below the bottom, the center bottom, and both sides of the bottom. Additionally, we wanted to observe if the color of the clay oven's exterior would change. After completing this test, we will conduct an outdoor durability test to see if it withstands the elements such as wind and rain. Since our focus is on testing the charcoal burning, we will now cover and protect the burner with a lid. We will proceed to burn charcoal on the right side later. The oven has been burning for 2 hours and 17 minutes, and the temperature of the pizza stone is 489 degrees Celsius. The bottom of the oven is 159 degrees Celsius. The area near the thermometer is 109 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the oven body is 96 degrees Celsius. Let's see what temperatures the 8 marked points reach. 31 degrees Celsius, 32.5 degrees Celsius, 54.2 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, 69 degrees Celsius, 32.6 degrees Celsius, 31.6 degrees Celsius, and 83.5 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours and 20 minutes of burning, although the tabletop is a bit hot, the temperatures at various points on the tabletop are still acceptable. The temperature of the oven body is high, but it is still possible to touch the clay shell with hands. In terms of color, it remains the same as before, and the clay shell has not changed color. This test was successful.